Time to get the cushions below. We'll do this the scientific way using gravity. So that's all sorted. Not down there, it isn't. So work to be done there. Let's get on with it. Yippee! I can sit down again. Comfy. The boat's turned back into a nice place to be. Job done. It gives me great pleasure to sit here in the sun now, looking at all those shiny surfaces. And the boat basically ready to go. Even brought some of the books back on board. And the lazy jack's in place. The biggest discovery this morning, when we turned up in the car, we went across this boatyard and thought, well, where is Whiskey Romeo 4? And I really didn't know, because the boat's going in the water tomorrow, not today. But we drove circles here and basically just could not find her. So what did we do? Of course, we went up topside and there she was standing right next to the crane, all ready to go back into the water. Mounty and I will be getting the sails on today, and you never know, we might even get hoisted in. Whiskey Romeo 4 all ready to go. Follow Whiskey Romeo.
What are you doing, Cal?
I was just putting some bottom coat on the places where the boat was on its stand.